Hi, Tyler here with Vandervest Harley-Davidson. Got another one here. 2024 Street Glide, Billiard Gray and Black. So you can tell, got some custom pinstriping done. All the way front fender, and the new redesigned fairing. Does have the Skyline operating system. Cruise control, traction control, ABS, all that fun stuff. Then we got some custom pinstriping up here on the tank. A little bit done on the 117 airbox, along with the floorboards and pegs. We also did a custom stitch seat here. And some more pinstriping on the new redesigned bags. Lid there, side of the bag there. Swing around, got a little Harley-Davidson barn shield on the rear fender. So come check it out. We are located at 1966 Velp Avenue, Green Bay, Wisconsin. Otherwise, give us a call, 920-498-8822. Thanks.